To use the software that comes with your textbook, you should go to www.pearsonhighered.com/render. He's the author of this book. On the next page, choose the 11th edition, which has this red cover. Click on Companion Website. Notice it says for resources including software, select a chapter. So you can select any of these chapters. On the left side, click on Software, 4 options. QM for Windows, Excel QM, and then Excel QM for Macs, either for Excel 2011 or Excel 2016. Although at test time, you will not be able to use a computer and software for solving your homework problems, using the software might be handy. Thank you.